Welcome back to Criminal Law Perth. I'm Mark Soper, the Criminal Law Guy. Today I want to talk to you about what you can expect when you phone my law firm for the first time. Now, if you read through our webpage, you'll see that we offer a free telephone advice service, and that can go for 5 minutes or it can go for more than an hour. It's entirely up to you and what you need to know about your criminal matters. The first thing we'll ask you is, do you have a statement of material facts and a prosecution notice? And if you have, I'll ask you to go through that and just explain to me the nature of the charge. I'll then ask you what you have to say about that charge. Do you agree with it? Do you disagree with it? And that will indicate to me whether you go on a track of pleading guilty and a plea mitigation follows, or you go down a trial track and we look at different ways of how we're going to present you and your defence case. What you can expect is that I will either answer the phone or I'll call you back, particularly if I'm in court. The advice that I give you will be dependent on the quality of the information you provide to me. In some cases, we get phone calls from people who are understandably nervous or frightened about what could happen when they, for example, find a card from a police officer in their home or at their place of work, asking them to phone the police station or that particular officer. They may have some indication of what they're going to be asked about, or they may have no idea whatsoever. And even in those cases, while the information coming to us will be rather scant, we can still give you some advice about how you go about progressing the matter through the police system and then through the court system, should that be the case. In every instance when we call you, my expectation is that you receive the best advice to the point where you understand, even if it's on a preliminary basis, you understand what you're charged with, what your response is, and what is likely to be your fate. If you want to speak to me, call me on 0422 656589 and we can go through the problems or issues that you're concerned about.